I actually propose and believe that the 36 Igbo alphabets should have been 34 and not 36. Now, listen to me. I believe that the initial ideology behind the composition and the organization of the 36 Igbo alphabet by Onwu Committee was to unify all the Igbo dialect. Think about this. You have 36 alphabets, but it's only 34 that are used in Igbo Izugbe. Remember, we have two versions of Asusu Igbo, two main versions of Asusu Igbo. Number one is the Igbo Izugbe, the Central Igbo, and then Olumba or Olundi. Igbo Izugbe, Central Igbo, Olumba or Olundi, the dialect that different communities speak. Okay? So, it's only 34 alphabets that are used in Igbo Izugbe. The remaining two are not used in Igbo Izugbe. Those two alphabets are sh and the v. Sh and the v. That is sh and v. Let me give you an example. In Igbo Izugbe, you see your fingernails and your toenails, they are called mvo. Sorry, in Igbo Izugbe, they are called mbo. 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 Your nails, okay? But in Olumba, Olundi, especially in Kano people, Enugu people, Kano, Nsukka, and the rest of them, I'm very sure of Nkanu, we call it Mvo and not Mbo. So Central Igbo, Mbo, Olumba, Olundi, Mvo. Then another example. Sienri, Sie is cook. Sienri, cook food. But where I come from, we say Shianri or Shienri. You can say Shienri if you want to sound civilized. But normally it is Shianri, Shianri, Shialomungi. So instead of saying Sie or Sia, you are not saying Shia. So in Olumba or Olundi, you replace Si with She. The same thing with in Igbo Izugbe, you replace B with V. So Mbo, Mvo, Sie, Shie. So the Abiidii Igbo is an ultimate